everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Roushanak Rahmat, and I'm excited to introduce you to a very interesting tool called Teachable Machine. While machine learning might seem complex, Teachable Machine makes it accessible for everyone, especially beginners, to get started with AI. So, if you're ready, let's explore the wonders of Teachable Machine together. Teachable Machine is a fun AI tool by Google that makes getting started with machine learning very easy. It's a free web-based tool that enables you to create your own machine learning models. The best part is that you don't need any coding experience. Teachable Machine provides a user-friendly interface where you can train models using your webcam, microphone, or even uploaded images and sounds to distinguish them into categories. Great! Now let's get started with Teachable Machine. So first thing, you have to head over to teachablemachine.withgoogle.com, and in the main page it explains the concept that how it works by first gathering the data, then training the model, and finally exporting your model. Once you click Get Started, you'll see options for different project types, which are for image classification, audio project, and pose recognition. Today, we'll focus on image classification. So click on Images and then name your labels. You can use your webcam to collect your own data for each class or upload pre-collected data. The images that I used is from Flowers recognition dataset from Kaggle website, which consists of 5 different flower types, which are around 4,000 images. Now comes the fun part, training your model. So I have 5 different classes of flowers. Here is the downloaded folder from Kaggle, which shows all flower types. From this, I excluded 8 images from each class for testing and left the rest for training the model. Now, let's extend number of classes to 5 and change the name of each class and upload the relevant images for each class. I changed the name of class 1 to Daisy and upload the images from the train folder. I repeated this for all classes, as you can see here. Remember, the more images you have for each class or each label, both positive and negative examples, the better your model will be trained. Once you're happy with the data, click the Train Model button and let Teachable Machine works its magic. Now that our model is trained, it's time to test it out. Let's upload images from the test folder that our model did not train on them to see if the model can correctly identify the labels and see if it can accurately distinguish between them in real time. So first, I test an image of daisy flower, and as we can see here in the bar below, it can classify it as a daisy flower with high accuracy. Next, I can try an image of a rose flower, and yeah, it can still classify it accurately. If you're happy with the results, you can even export your model for use in other projects like websites or apps. To do this, you can click on Export Model, and we can download our model in different formats, as you can see here, which only give us the trained model, not the data. But if you need to download everything, you should come here and simply download project as a file. Alright everyone, that's it for today. You've officially taken your first steps into machine learning with Teachable Machine. Remember, this is just the beginning. There's a whole world of AI projects waiting to be built. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Share your experience and tell me what projects you've created. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy machine learning.